Hey guys, what's up? This is Akash and you're watching to Code and Learn Online. So in this video, we will be seeing how to deploy Jupyter Notebook on EC2 instance from scratch. So let's start. So log into your AWS console and then go to EC2. After this, go to launch instance. Select your machine. I will be selecting Ubuntu server 18.04. And here I will be selecting T2 micro. Don't click review and launch, just go to next and configure instance details, then add storage, then add text, leave as it is. Now you have to change add some ports on security groups, right? So this is the by default SSH 22 and we will be adding custom TCP 8888 and location will be anywhere. So we will review and now launch. So you can select a new pair. So I will give it a name Jupyter Notebook and I'll download this. Now click on the launch instance. So your instance is now launching. Go to view instance. Sorry. So you will have to log into your instance using SSH login. I will go to CD downloads. I guess yes, downloads. sh-i Jupyter _ notebook.pem ubuntu @ so I will see the public DNS of this and copy and enter. Yes. Okay, we will have to change the permissions for this. So sudo chmod 400, I guess 400. Let's see. Now, yes, now I am able to log in. So I have written a blog, so I will take like commands from there. So you can follow my blog code and learn.n, and I have a complete written tutorial on this. Display Jupyter Notebook inside an HTML iframe also, and this one deploying Jupyter Notebook on Amazon EC2 instance. So we have followed till here. We are able to see this screen. So now we will download Anaconda. We will install Anaconda. So by using this command, and you can get this download link like I have mentioned here. The download link might be differ, so you could search Anaconda on this. I'll search, and this is the documentation for the Anaconda. We will have to go to downloads or distribution, you can say. So right now my OS is Mac, so I'll switch to Linux. and I will install using this Python 3.7 version. So I will right click on this and copy link address. So wget enter. So this will download Anaconda. This is downloading. So we can see this Anaconda 3-2018.12. So this is the link. So now I will install this using bash, and I will copy this name and bash now. Now I will have to accept the license agreements. So please press enter. More. You can continue. Do you want to accept the license terms? So type yes. This is the default location you want to install. So I will leave it as it is. So this will install. So this is installing. Now at the end, you will be prompted to include Anaconda 3 into your .bash rc path. So make sure you type yes, and if you forgot to type, then open .ba bash rc using below command and add this following line at the end of the file. Okay, so I'll copy this. Do you wish to installer to initialize in your home? So I will enter yes. Thank you for installing Anaconda. So if you want to install VS Code, no, I don't want. So now clear. So now we have installed Anaconda successfully. So now we have to create a password for Jupyter. So we will create a hashed password using ipython. So we will type ipython. Okay. Uh, so guys, we have to set we have to run this .bash rc file to use this Anaconda environment. So source dot bash rc. So now ipython should work. Yes. So we will set the password using this from python import.lib import password. So I'll paste this password. It will be asking you to enter your password, so you can enter your password and copy this hashed password on your file anywhere you want. I'll paste here. Now I'll exit from here. So now I will have to generate the Jupyter config file. So for this, you can go to Jupyter Notebook and what it is, generate -config. So this is the config file generated for Jupyter. We can open this using nano jupyter slash jupyter notebook config.py. So I have already this code for configuring Jupyter, so you can paste that. I will provide this in description of this video, and you can get this on my website also. So make sure you change this hashed password, and if you are using password, then you don't have to use token, and if you're using token based, then you can use the token also. You can paste it here. You will have to change this key file and certificate file. So we will generate the SSL right now. Till then, I will close this after saving. So for generating SSL, you can generate SSL self-signed certificate, and you can use Let's Encrypt if you have a domain name registered. So I'll generate right now. So it will ask me some details. You can leave it as it is. If you want, you can. So I must be getting mycert.pem file, and you can now again go to config file, and you can change this. If you will generate using Let's Encrypt, you will get the private key file also. So if for now I'm not using Let's Encrypt, so I will comment this out. So need to change this one. Home slash to slash mycert.pem, and also make sure you have this notebook folder in your root directory. So right now I'm saving this. Exit. So I will make a notebooks. So now I guess everything is done. Now we should be able to use Jupyter Notebook. So let's cd into notebooks and Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this error is due to this. We have the port 443, that are the root ports, and they can be accessed well when we are using EC2 instance as a root user, but we are not using as a root user. So we will again change the config and the port number here. So actually I was using for the production from a company, so I have done this, and they are running on that. So now I guess Jupyter Notebook. Cool. So let's test this in browser. Okay, copy this. HTTPS. Now port 88. Okay, permission denied. Some errors. Clear this. Now change the file permission to 777 mycert.pem. Now it should work. So this connection is not private because we have used self-signed SSL. So if you're using Let's Encrypt, you will not face this error. So I'll accept this, proceed unsafe. Bam, it's working. I'll enter my password. Cool. Now I'm able to create a notebook, Jupyter Notebook. So let's test this. Hello Jupyter. Run. It's working. So I guess this is enough for this tutorial. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and till then.